Hey guys, while I'm not able to travel anywhere new due to COVID situation, I'm recycling some of my old videos to keep serving great content to you guys. In this video, I present to you some of my encounters with children in the village called Sangapur near Hampi from my last year's trip to Hampi and the surrounding villages. So enjoy. And don't forget to like this video if you do, and yes, subscribe to this channel.
Some kid is coming. Hello. कैसा है? हिंदी आता है?
हिंदी नहीं आता।
अभी हिंदी तो बोल रहा है।
जला चलाता।
अच्छा, फोटो निकालना है? ठीक है, इसको पकड़। चालू है ये, इसको पकड़ के रख। Let's click a picture for him. We'll make a nice portrait. He has an interesting face. फोटो निकालना, ठीक है? स्माइल कर, स्माइल स्माइल। इधर देख, उसको नीचे रख दे, ऐसे पकड़, ऐसे नीचे। स्माइल। पैसा नहीं है मेरे पास। नहीं है, अभी कुछ है नहीं, अंदर पड़ा है, लेके ही नहीं है। देख, नहीं है। हाँ? अच्छा है ना? चलो। ओके। I actually don't have money. I'm not carrying it. I don't want to be knowledgeable like a tourist. I want to be experienced like a traveler. I will write it down maybe in my channel about page. What do you call it? Behind the profile picture, profile image, background image. Yeah, I can write it as a tagline or something about my channel. Anyways, so these guys have been calling me. Hello, I'm coming there. Where do I come from? Directly? Okay. These shoes, guys. So last week these shoes were new, but now they are 10 years old. Oh, it's going to be a climb. Can you help me out? Oh, they're not coming to help me up. No worries. I'm here. Come on. I can't come there. Oh, this is the same place I came to. I came here and then went inside. इधर आया था मैं. ऐसा ही जगह पे मैं आया था. अभी मैं वहाँ कैसे आऊँ? I can't swim here. वहाँ पे है रास्ता. Oh, look at वो buffalo. Let me check out the buffaloes there. The buffaloes are taking bath, chilling in the water. Oh, they're done. They're catching fish. Are you fishing?
Fishing.
Snake? Oh, there's a snake here. Oh, there's a snake here. Did you see it?
Snake.
Wow.
Wow. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Hi.
What's your name?
Sagar.
Sagar. Darshan. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is Darshan.
Wow.
So let's wait for the snake again. I saw the snake there. Yeah, it popped its head out.
ఆడ ఉందే లెక్కేసారు
So
ఆడ లేదు ఆడ ఉంది అది
आप लोग do you eat this fish?
ఆడ ఉంది
ये खाने का है? मैं नहीं खाता है. Only chicken
చికెన్
and beef and pork. You fine? You fine with me eating beef and pork?
స్ట్రాంగ్ బాడీ
Yeah, very strong. I can see that. The buffaloes are coming again to chill in the water. Wow, they're making me jealous. I'm so hot now.
బఫెల్ పట్టుకునిందా
Where is the snake now?
Fish. Fish రాదు.
Okay, guys. So I'll come around.
రావండి
वहाँ पे आ सकता हूँ ना मैं? चलो.
వెతుక్కుంటావో?
చలో నువ్వు అట్టనే ఇట్టు వస్తాను
Come. You come with me. So he's going to show me around.
ఇట్ట దిగిరా.
Let's go to the other side. This is turning out to be more interesting than I thought.
పోదా?
We're here. No, this is not the same place I went to. This is similar, but different.
ఇక్కడ వస్తాడే
వెతుక్కుంటుండే.
हाँ?
వెతుక్కుంటే.
क्या बोल रहा है? कुत्ता है?
పేరు చెప్పండి కిగన్ కిగన్
फ्रेंडली है?
కిగన్
हिंदी हिंदी. किगन.
Name
Name.
Kigan.
Okay. Kigan.
కిగన్
Kigan. Hello. Is he friendly?
మా ఫ్రెండ్
काटेगा? नहीं काटेगा?
కడతా
थोड़ा काटता.
కిగన్
थोड़ा काटता. That's reassuring.
तुम्हारा नाम కిగన్
तुम्हारा नाम किगन है? Your name is Kigan. He's very soft. Which breed is this? कौन सा कुत्ता है ये? पोमेरियन है?
अच्छा ना
अच्छा है. Look at the cows.
జుమ్మి
Jumi. Hello Jumi.
ఒకడా బెద పడుకుంటే వచ్చి
Jumi is afraid of me.
అంటే కొత్తలో చూస్తామంటే
చికెన్ హే आटा खेल रहा आटा खेल रहा
हाँ.
चिकन है
Chicken?
जा
कहाँ है chicken?
आटा खेलता भी
और क्या है देखने के लिए?
देखने के लिए वो चाहिए हाँ हाँ हाँ
మ్యాన్
मैन हाँ मैन आओ यू पिता वहाँ
ఏ బెద పడతా
These guys are so happy and excited to see me here.
नो 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 नो
नहीं जाने का उधर? Why?
ఎందుకు బెద పడుకుంటా ఏ తంతాడు
ఓ తిడతావో నీ ఇష్టమో
ఏమని చేసుకుంటా
The little guy is skeptical of me going towards their home. वहाँ पे घर है आपका? वहाँ पे घर है आपका?
नीला नहीं
మరే
घर उधर है
घर उधर है. अच्छा.
उधर देख का
हाँ वो देख लिया मैंने.
गाँव देख देख आटा खेल रही
खेल रहा है. हाँ. The dog is playing with the small cow. The baby cow.
उधर ही चले उधर ही चले
हाँ?
ओ आटा छोड़ ले देगा
नज़दीक नहीं जाने का.
नहीं जाने
हम्म.
आटा खेल रो
खेलने दो. ठीक है. खेलने दो.
जा ठीक
Okay guys.
जाना नाइस
हाँ जा रहा है अभी.
अभी किधर जा रहा
अभी बेंगलोर जाएगा.
బెంగళూరు కంట్రీ
हाँ?
విచ్ కంట్రీ
इंडिया.
ఇండియా
इधर इंडिया से ही है.
అండ్
कुछ बोलने का है?
क्या बोल
ఏమైనా మాట్లాడతారా అంటుండ్రు
क्या बोले मुझे क्या
ఏ
पता.
మాట్లాడుతున్నా ఏ మాట్లాడలే ఎదురు నిలబడు కెమెరా
Okay guys. Have fun.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या
Darshan.
दर्शन
Bye bye.
बाय
బాయ్
बाय
Okay. Good exploration. But I lost the fields. Yeah, I was going to explore into the fields. Bye bye, guys. Interesting. Hello. Are they scared or interested? They're acting scared while laughing and smiling. That's so funny. Let's have some more fun. Don't be scared, guys. Hello. Hindi, English. Hindi, English. What's your name? Name.
My name is Pranita.
Pranita. What's your name?
Deepika.
Deepika.
My name is Tabu.
Why are you running away?
My name is Saisha.
Good names. Why are you running away? Are you scared of me? They don't look scared. They look amused. They're just pretending to be scared. They're just pretending to be scared. They're having fun. ये लोग भाग क्यों रहे?
डर रही है यहाँ।
कौन डर रहा है? क्यों डर रहा है?
तुम ना देख तो।
क्यों? मैं भूत है क्या? हाँ? ये लोग डर क्यों रहा है? ये लोग डर रहा है क्या?
किनका?
मेरे से?
तुमको देख के डरने रहे क्या? ये लोग बोल रहे हैं।
डर भी रहा है, हंस भी रहा है। मैं देखूं ये जगह देखूं मैं? हाँ। They don't seem to understand Hindi, but when I do this, and he knew the word देखूं, so he understood that I'm asking to take a look at this place.
Which is your name?
My name? You don't run away from me, then I'll tell you my name. You stand there, I'll tell you my name. Shake my hand. Then I'm not telling you my name. I will not tell you my name if you don't shake my hand. You want to know my name?
Farhan.
No, my name. Do you want to know my name? Shake my hand. No?
Which is your place?
I will not tell you anything unless you shake my hand. Come. Who will dare? Who is courageous one out of you? Who is the courageous one out of you?
जाओ भैया, सभी जने बच्चे पूरे डर रहे, तुमने देखा?
डर रहा है तो हंस क्यों रहा है? रो रहा है? ऐसे रोता है? It's fun. हाँ? क्या? Shake my hand. If you don't shake my hand, I will not tell you anything. I don't think it's going to work out. It will eventually work out, but it might take an hour that I don't have.
There is my bakery.
Where is your bakery?
There is
Bakery? So you want me to go there? But you're scared of me, right? What? Everyone is pretending to be scared, having fun. Of course they're pretending. They're not really scared.
What
नाटक देखो.
is your name?
I will not tell you my name. See, I'm going now. Do you want to know my name? I'm leaving then. I'm going now.
Where? Mumbai?
I won't tell you anything.
Not Telgo.
If you don't shake my hand, I'll not tell you anything.
ತಗೋತ್ಗ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
If you don't shake my hand, I'm not going to tell you anything. Come. Last chance. No? They don't want to take the chance.
ಆಯ್ತು ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
I could live with that.